Welcome to the Veranda View, and what a better place to get started than right here on the veranda. Today, we're installing our very first plant bed at our newly constructed home. In this video, we will cover planting around newly constructed homes, soil amendments, right plant, right place, and planting compatibility, plus more. Let's get started. New homes are built on fill dirt, and that comes from deep holes in the ground. And it's great for building houses on, but not great for our plant beds. Fill dirt contains very little organic matter, which our plants need to thrive. Also, around newly constructed homes, you will find a lot of construction debris, bits of concrete and nails and screws and plastic that need to be removed before we can have a truly successful planting. So I'm going to get started and get our plant bed ready to go to work. Now that the bed has been cleared of debris, we can amend the fill dirt with compost. Some tools I used for this part of the project were an iron rake and a good 5-gallon bucket. Some things we removed, other than large rocks, were plastic, styrofoam, bits of wire, weeds, and even a utility knife blade. The importance of compost in our plant bed is that it will provide needed nutrient for our plants and increase water retention in the soil, which means less frequent watering, saving time and money, and valuable water. Amending your soils for those very reasons is why Florida WaterStar recommends amendments.